Welcome to Eloise Asylum. Within the walls of this 1800s mental institution lies two separate haunted attractions. They've got the Eloise Asylum proper here on the main floor, and as if the experiments happening in there weren't bad enough, we're also going into the basement for sub-level 1, and that's where the real crazy stuff is. We're gonna take you inside with us through both haunts tonight. A special thank you to Eloise for inviting us up for a media night. Without further ado, let's go in and get some scares. And guys, something new since last time we were here is this pumpkin walk. They're calling it the Deathly Gardens. Kind of a fun little side attraction. They got all kinds of jack-o'-lanterns and animatronics that go off out here. It's really cool. All right, now let's go check out Eloise Asylum.
It smells old in here.
Oh,
holy crap.
This way, this way.
Oh, we get a little thing here.
This is Magnolia.
Hello.
She will be taking you for the rest of the way.
Gloria? Okay, we follow. Oh, Magnolia, like the flower. Okay, we're going that way.
We get to
oh
sit,
my.
guys.
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Oh, fancy meeting you guys.
Hi.
What's up? Oh my.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh.
Now you.
Oh, up
We
there.
have to go up there. Why is the wall bleeding?
There's something called surgery.
Tammy. Tammy.
Oh, she's down there.
I think I could see.
She's up. Ah!
Lobotomy. Oh, shoot.
I think that's what I got too.
We just had a fresh lobotomy.
Oh.
You did?
We're straight in, Lobotomy.
Oh God, she needs both.
Come, my darlings. What ails thou? What is your issues and problems in your life? I need to know.
Let's see.
Let's see. Come, chop.
I don't know.
She doesn't know. You should know.
We can't poop. That's the problem.
Wow, we have things to disembowel you, honey.
God. Oh.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, switch.
Right this way.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Already, okay.
Oh crap. Oh no. Oh, I hear something over there.
I'm so
Are you
tense.
ready?
Oh, I think I am.
I'm not.
Uh-oh.
I'm already so scared. Okay.
Oh no.
Hello.
What's that? I guess we follow the bell.
I-
Oh, that bell.
I feel like that's a good idea. Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, I love the bell.
Do I have
Okay.
to?
Holy crap. Oh. Whoa. That's cool. Okay, that's really cool. That's a real elevator. I don't know about that.
Dr. Cutter! I am the doctor!
Yep.
Are you
The doctor will see you now!
Okay.
Your appointment!
I'm
No.
sorry.
Appointment!
It
No
happens.
way.
Mommy! Daddy! Your leg! Wait! Your leg!
Not your daddy.
Oh my God.
Oh, what are you in? That is, ooh. It's kind of gooey.
That's the hydrotherapy.
Good
Yeah.
times.
Is that what that is?
I think so.
Oh, did it help?
I think we need to be in there a little longer.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh.
What kind of stuff are they doing in here?
I don't know. I think you, yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, that doesn't look too good.
Oh my God. This is really
didn't make it.
creepy. Oh, that's really cool. You can see way down there.
That's really fun.
Oh my God.
There's so much happening right
It's
now.
so beautiful.
Oh, ew.
Oh yeah, that's gross. That's really gross.
Oh my God.
Holy crap. Ooh, wow. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh, what's that?
I don't know. Hi.
Oh, there's a wall. I don't know about you. Oh, you got some nice teeth. No. She's got dentures. Yeah.
You can have that. No, we don't need them.
There's so much happening.
Ow. Hi. Are you supposed to be somewhere? Yeah.
That must be the shock therapy.
Must be.
Nah.
We don't need that. We're getting lobotomies. Okay, all right. I think we're safe.
No, don't say that. What is wrong with you?
What is this? What?
there's something in there.
The more city I lose, the more content I get.
Is that it?
Well, patience.
Oh.
Heads. That's it.
There's a lot of patience. Oh, look at that guy. He's trying to get out.
I see your ankles. Oh, what happened to that?
Oh, that's really cool.
Oh, I don't want to go in here.
Oh, God. Okay. That's really neat.
Nick, where are you taking us?
I have no idea this time.
X-ray!
I think it's the X-ray room.
Oh, fine. Could use one.
Why does it have that big of a door on it?
I don't know. It's for our whole body.
Find out.
Hello!
Hi.
Oh, hi. Hello? Hello?
You want to see my dead body?
Yes.
Come on, let's see my dead body.
Oh,
I've liked your face for too long.
Oh,
I see.
A little
I
bit.
did.
I agree.
you know, it happens to the best of us.
I looked at my face for too long.
About 2 hours.
Ah!
Poor guy.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
There's a... Go. Oh, thank you.
We're about
Yeah, no. No, 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 no,
We're
no,
about
no,
to watch them be sacrificed.
Go. Somebody's getting sacrificed. Cody is. That's a big
Oh, that was
doctor.
bright.
Oh, light therapy. Oh, God. Yeah, I feel so much better now.
My eyes.
That was so bright.
Oh, I'm blind now.
Do you feel better now, Tammy?
I see spots.
Oh,
Hey.
what are you doing in here?
Busy. That's all right.
Yeah, I don't know about it. I don't think.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
No.
They're still they're off to you.
Put those back where you found them.
I think they're supposed to be inside. Oh, God, that's loud. Oh, my God. Wow. They tried that one too long, too. Oh, he doesn't have any eyes, but it's right there.
Ew.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, what do you got?
That scared me so bad I didn't even scream. No, that was.
Oh, that's gross.
I just had a heart attack. I think.
I saw that look of fear on your eyes, or your face, on
Dude,
your eyes.
on my eyes.
Oh, God.
Oh, that got
I bet
me
we're
bad.
going in there.
Oh, it's snack time.
Oh, yeah. Good
Can we
job,
have
buddy.
some?
Yeah, you made a masterpiece. Yep, I knew. Oh. Okay, that got me that time. Ew, that's real. That is gotta be
Ew.
real.
OG water fountain.
Oh my god.
Ew. Oh,
What?
God.
Oh.
Oh, no. You think they're all dead?
We
my
should
gosh.
hope.
Give your toe.
Oh, you got plenty
Come on.
over here. There's tons. No,
ain't getting
what's
them.
wrong with those?
Dude, you got so many.
No.
I'm using them right now.
No, oh, that's really cool because it actually looks like
Yeah, I love
ice.
that.
Oh, my.
Hi.
Hello?
Okay. Yes.
Oh. I don't trust you. Don't trust him.
Why not?
You
No.
know.
My test.
Oh.
You just got nowhere to go. You want to be next though?
I don't think so.
Looks like you got your work cut out for you.
I love doing this.
No.
Come on.
No.
You can stay here with me.
I prefer not to.
Why not?
Because I don't want to look like him.
Nope.
Ew. What is that? I don't. Oh, I don't. It's art, Nick.
Oh, you're right. You're so right. Subjective. I apologize.
Someone.
Hardest scene here.
Just a little.
Let me give you a hand.
Ah, I like
Good
that.
jokes.
That was good.
That
This
was.
thing right here, want to know what I call it?
Yeah.
All in it together.
You are not
That thing
wrong.
right there. This one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Want to know what I call it?
What?
Got it all backwards.
Oh my God. Ooh, that's wild. Oh, we're
about to-
going in there.
We about to get hypnotized?
Oh, maybe.
I don't like this.
Oh, crap.
Oh
I
god.
think they called this the dream therapy.
I think so, yes. Oh my God.
Ew, I thought that moved.
That
Ew.
is
They're
so,
twitching.
it is twitching. Ew.
Oh my gosh. This one escaped, hopefully.
They did.
That one went somewhere.
broken.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
This is crazy. Oh, we're tilted. We're a
Oh,
little.
this is, yeah.
We're a little
It
tilted.
took me a second. I'm like, wait a minute, we're walking sideways. Jesus Christ.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh,
fun.
yeah. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my God.
Holy cow.
Oh
my
God.
Okay, all right.
That's why he's in here.
Okay, we're good. That was wild.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh
my
jeez.
God.
This is, oh my
That
God.
floor is all
This is
Oh,
disorienting.
wow.
discombobulated.
Are we still moving?
I don't think so. That's,
Feels like we're still
it's the
moving.
floor. I don't know.
Are you sure
maybe.
we're not? Are we?
I'm not sure.
I think
have
we
no
are.
idea.
I don't know. That's really trippy.
Oh,
Look out, Nick.
Hi. Hello.
Hello there.
I don't think that's normal.
No. She's got that glazed over looking eyes.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I don't trust y'all. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so that was Eloise Asylum proper. Now we're heading down into sublevel 1.
Welcome, patients.
Hi.
You head right down this way. The doctor can't wait to show you his greatest creation yet.
Okay.
Masterpiece.
Masterpiece.
Oh no. Why did it get dark? I don't know.
Oh my.
Oh my
Oh
God.
gosh. Way to take the night vision away.
Yeah.
Well, if you're following me, we're
I am
screwed.
following you.
Oh, there's animals! Well, there's supposed to be. Which means something's probably gonna eat our faces off. Oh!
Like that?
I'm sorry. The
You
doctor
don't
did
sound like
that.
he's doing too good.
No, I don't think so.
Sounds like he's in respiratory distress.
What was it?
Oh,
She's creeping.
that's not suspicious at all.
She's a creeper.
She's got something hanging out of her back. Don't trust her.
She's got a growth
Took me out.
and not for
She
dinner.
thinks that's funny.
It's not safe here. It's not safe here.
It's not.
It's not safe here. Do
I-
not take you to the lab. It's not safe. Don't go to the lab.
Don't go in the lab. Emmy, don't go in the lab.
Oh no. Is this like a boiler room?
Yeah. Crematory something.
Don't touch that, it's hot.
Oh, I hear something that sounds terrifying.
Something sounds agitated.
Oh God, that's some bass. What are we stepping on?
I don't know. I just keep going down further.
Like rock. Whoa. Dang it.
Oh god, the whole floor is shaking. Holy cow.
What happened there, man? Uh-oh, somebody lost a hard hat. Something didn't go right.
brought in.
Hi.
More test subjects.
That's right.
I love to see it.
All right, let's do
Oh, who wants the toxic?
No.
Sure, yeah.
Is that right?
it. Yeah. Oh, God. What kind of... Oh, God. Oh, my. Oh, my. What are we doing in here?
What are you doing here?
I don't know. No clue.
You're not supposed to be
It's
here.
a series of bad choices.
We somehow ended up here.
You need to get out.
Okay. Where we're going to say?
Uh,
I guess we'll find out the hard way, Tammy.
I guess
Oh,
so.
God.
That's how I learn everything, the hard way.
You're not eliminating my wires here, are you?
Yes! No. Look at all that. Oh, no, no,
Oh!
no, no. No, that's so disgusting. Oh, my. That thing is huge. Oh, that. Oh, yes! Oh, it's a spider! It's a big Spider-Man!
You can hear him.
Oh, he's got big boils on his head. Ew, he's drooling. Ew, you're drooling. That is definitely
No, no, no.
a party.
Oh!
That scared the crap out of me. No. No, 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 no. That is
No, no, no.
no. No. Oh, that's gross. Wow, are you okay? Nope.
All right.
What the heck? Whew.
Alright guys, well that was both attractions here at Eloise Asylum. Let us know what you thought. If you want to see some extra content that you won't see here on the regular channel, sign up to become a member and that's where you'll get all of our exclusive content. If you want to find more haunted houses like this up here in Michigan or anywhere in the world, visit our website, thescarefactor.com. And while you're there, sign up for our Haunted Advisor newsletter. That's where we'll send you all of our updates. If you're ready for another video, I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.